Yeah, but some of it I need to do it still.
Ah,
But
ah.
I'll finish it. If I have any doubt, I'll ask you one time.
Oh, all right, fine. No, if you want to tell any topic and all, I just take the class. Not a problem. I'm saying that.
Sir, post the questions.
Yeah, posting. See question number 11th. Can see question number 11th.
Yes, sir.
The measure of any angle is 4 times the measure of its supplementary angle. Then angles are. The measurement of the angles are.
Sir,
See,
A.
see how to do is okay. All of you just write the just send the answers over here. All of you on the camera, children. I can't see anybody. I should every day I should tell to everyone. Huh? Sai Ritvik. Okay. Then Satvik, Sai Charan, Sahil, Shriyanvi. So see here,
Sir,
the
option A will be given.
angle is 4 times its supplementary angle. So how we have
Yes.
done? How answer is correct?
Supplementary means 180.
Sir, like all of them are 4 times only, but supplementary angles means 2 angles measure should be 180.
One angle will be what? Measure of supplement means one angle is x, one will be what? 180 minus x, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
supplementary angle will be 180 minus x.
So one angle will be
Then
4
sir,
times.
according to yes, sir. Then according to question,
See,
4 multiply by 180 minus x in the bracket.
so you can multiply here also, will get the same answer now. Wherever
Yes,
you
sir.
want to multiply, you just
Yes, sir,
multiply.
but-
Either you multiply here or you multiply here. Your wish. Okay, because we don't know which is greater, which is smaller, right? So right here 4x,
Okay,
then
sir.
5x
Yes.
is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 divided by 5. So 5 3s are 36 are the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
36 degrees is the first answer
Yes.
for x. And obviously 180 minus x, you can put the value. The 180 minus 36 is nothing but 144. Is it clear, children, to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir, if we put sir there, sir, 4x, sir, then answer will become 144, sir. And after sir we subtract, sir, then it will become the 36.
Yeah, same thing will be. Means here we don't know which is greater over here, right?
Yes,
X or
sir.
180 minus x.
Sir, but we can do on another method also, sir. That you are telling.
Which method?
Sir, that sir we have to multiply, sir. From there we can also multiply na 4 into 180 minus x in the bracket.
This one you are saying.
No, sir. Sir, multiplication, sir.
Which
4x
multiply?
4x equal to 4x bracket 180 minus x. We can multiply like this also. No?
Okay, leave what you are saying, leave it, children. So this is the first answer, right? Okay, we'll move to question number 12th now. Okay, question number 12 we do. So question number 12 is like, you know,
Easy, sir.
12th is easy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you write the chat in the chat box. All of you write in the chat box. Plus there is
Can't see
admitting.
the screen, sir.
You can't see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, now I can see.
You're not able to see the screen. Answer, Hania, you have mentioned B, right? So everyone is mentioning B only. Okay. Ritvik is A. Sahil is A. Okay, fine. Hey, this is before only I just think your answer, right? A and B answer is coming over here. Okay, fine. So A and B, So in the given figure, A minus B is equal to 40 degree. A minus B is equal to 40 degree. So next, what you have done, children? A plus B is equal to 180, right? This is not given the question, but by linear pair, you can say A plus B. If you add this both angles, you'll get 180 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
So on adding this both, this will get cancelled. 2A is equal to 220, so A is equal to 110, correct?
Yes, sir.
So A is equals to 110 and B is equals to what?
70.
110 minus 4, 70 and 110. So option A is correct. Anyone having doubt in question number 12?
No, sir.
All right, fine. Now we move to the next
So
question.
even if we see except A, all the if we add all others, it is not 180. We are not getting 180.
Acha, okay. That is also fine. Yeah, that also is
Sir,
fine.
A is correct answer.
Yeah, obviously A is correct answer. Correct. Now question number
Sir,
13.
but A, sir, but how, sir? There they give B and A. So B is, I think, sir.
Huh? What? A minus B is there, no? So A is greater, obviously A is greater over here. If A is given before, it means A is greater. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And anyway, this is not 110. 70, 110 they'll give, then you'll get confused, correct? Now question number 13th. Read the question. Question number 13th. The area of a square and rectangle are equal. The area of a square and rectangle are equal. So first you make square and rectangle over here. This is square, rectangle. This one is square. So both are what? Equal, right? This both area is equal. Next one they've given side of a square is 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. And rectangle is 16 centimeter. Huh? The length of it is 16 centimeter. So find the perimeter of rectangle. You can find easily. So how to find the breadth of this?
So we can find the area of the square and then we can equate it
Sir,
in the formula
first, sir, first we have
or
to
the
Yes, sir.
rectangle.
find the side of a square.
See, area of a square is equal to area of rectangle is given. So area of a square is side square 12 into 12 is equals to 16 into your, you can write here breadth. So breadth is equal to 12 into 12 divided by 16, correct? 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12. So answer is 9, correct? So perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B. So answer is 2 into L. L is 16 and breadth is 9. So 2 into 25, the answer is 50. So everyone got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So now question number 14. Anyone having doubts, Sai Ritvik? Pulastya? Are you getting this answer? Satvik Nutakki?
I'm just doing it.
Yes, sir.
Shriyanvi?
Yes, sir.
You are getting the answers?
Yeah, I got the answer, sir.
Okay. Sai Charan, Satvik. Shriyanvi, today also your camera is not working?
Now I got the answer.
I'm trying to switch it on. I'm trying to switch it on, sir.
Okay. Stop sharing and again start sharing here. So now question number 14th. Question number 14th. The angle between the internal and external bisectors of the angle of a triangle is dash. The angle between internal and external bisector of an angle of a triangle is. The angle between the internal and external bisector of an angle of a triangle is dash. Tell me. Triangle, you just draw for triangle first.
Sir, 1 second, sir. I'm solving.
Okay. So this is your external angle will be like this. So bisector, you can make it
Sir,
like
90 degrees, sir.
this. And here also bisector.
Sir, 90 degrees.
So how you have done, Priyanshu?
Sir, first I have taken the triangle, sir.
Obviously, triangle is a triangle only will take. What you have done?
Yes, sir. First, sir, in triangle, sir, ABC, sir. Sir, I have taken, sir, BD as a internal bisector.
BD. Acha. See here, children, what you should do here is, here your out, suppose this angle is 120 degree. You can take any your wish. Okay. You can take any angle outside. If you want to take 100, you can take 100 also, not a problem. Suppose this is 120, so obviously interior angle will be 160 degree, right? Is it clear? Because these are linear pairs. Now, if you see
Yes, sir.
a bisector of angle bisector, interior and exterior bisector of an angle, the bisector of this will be 60 only, right?
Yes, sir.
And 30 will be like this. The 60 plus 30 is what? 90. You can take this one and this one. So
Okay, sir.
bisector, the 60
the-
plus 30 is 90 over. This you take 90. Is it clear, children? And if you take any
Sir, this
angle,
is very easy method.
if you take any angle, children, you'll get the same answer, 90 as it is. If you take 100 also, 50-50 will come. The inside will be more, right? There will be 40-40. The 60 plus 40 will be 100. That's it. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, all right. Next question is question number 15. Question number 15. Here you find, children. All of you just in the chat. In the chat box, just mention what is the answer for this.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You joined late, right?
Yes, sir, just now.
Acha, means you are having other classes, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anyway, we have did 4 questions till now.
Okay, sir.
So all of you children just write in the chat, just 4 answers also they have solved, all right? D option. Satvik is C. Satvik again.
D, sir, it's 10, sir.
It's 10, all right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Everyone got the same answer?
I think that's D.
10,
Sir,
okay?
could this,
Say, Hania, what you're saying?
sir, could you prove it? I didn't get it.
Okay, see, this question you are not getting, right, Hania?
Yeah.
So see, if this is 9y, so obviously interior vertically opposite angle, 9y, this also will be
Yes,
9y
sir.
only. So
Sir, I
this will
changed
be
it, sir.
4y
It's D10, sir.
and this will be 5y. Now if you add all the y's here, that become 360. Means
Sir, there is
two,
no need
Sir, we
to.
can do simply, sir. Like
Sir, there is no need to do
we-
Yeah,
that, sir.
sir.
Just
Sir,
one
nine-
straight
Yeah,
line, sir.
I got.
Sir, we can keep 9 by
I only took one side. so I
then we can
forgot to-
keep 5 by
what
plus 9 by-
Nihar? What you are saying?
Sir, we can directly do it with 180, sir.
Yes, sir, we can do with
Obviously, this
180.
this is for understanding
sir,
only. I
done.
This for understanding, I just told everyone so that how 180 will come, they can understand. If you know this, obviously that will be done, right?
Okay, sir. Yes,
Ye-
sir, that will be done.
Because if I tell directly 180, no, they will ask where is 180 degree, where is straight line, where half circle is coming over here. So better to teach in this way is better, I think. Okay, Priyanshu, you're telling something?
Sir
Priyanshu,
is asking whether sir is asking whether sir is
Huh?
asking whether you can hear him.
I can hear. Yeah, no, we all can't hear him actually. You are hearing Priyanshu?
No, sir, I can't hear him, sir.
Yeah, nobody's hearing Priyanshu to you.
Yes,
Wha-
I can't hear him.
Once again you can join. 9 and 9, 18, 18, 18, 36. 36 y is equal to 360. So y is equal to 10. All right. Next question number 16. These all are like NCERT types of sums actually. If you know this, you can do. Means like ICSE or ICSE also same questions are there in that also.
Sir, these are easy, sir. The 10th one is hard.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, now it's clear. Now I can hear you, Priyanshu. So in the given figure below, lines X, Y, and MN intersect at O. POY is 90 degree. POY is 90 degree.
This is a text.
A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Okay, this is 2x, this is 3x. Okay. Then XON is equals to what? XON. XON. This is equals
Sir,
to
126.
Hmm.
Sir, I'm getting 126.
Okay. 126 you are getting, right? So all of you just see this square cross part. Okay. See, this is your crossing. This is your crossing. If you know this much, you can see down one also, right? All of you try once.
Sir, first we can find the AB, then we can find B is equals to O. Then again with O we can keep linear pair and find answer.
See, right now I'm removing Sai Ritvik. Okay. He is just simply sitting. And again, if I tell, then you on the camera and not responding to any of the answers.
Mic problem. I sent you the message.
You sent the answers.
Sir, 5 minutes back, I sent you the mic problem message and I was fixing that. That's why my camera was off.
Acha, all right, fine. How to fix the mic, Sai Ritvik?
Sir, I had to go to control center in my laptop.
Acha.
Took 2 minutes, sir.
Arra, okay. All of you got the answers for this? Sai Charan.
Sir, 126, I got 126.
Yes.
Okay. Who is not getting this question? Sai Ritvik, you got this answer for this?
No, sir.
So this is 90. So 90 plus 2x plus 3x, right? Is equals to 180. So 5x is equal to 90. X is equal to 18, right?
18. Yes, sir.
So A
Yes, sir.
becomes 36.
Got it, sir.
So this whole
Sir,
part is
then
called
O,
9,
sir,
3,
then
12.
the-
1, 2, 6. Right?
yes, sir.
Everyone done the same? Okay, question number 16th now. 17th. In the given figure. They have made a star, star, star. I don't know why they have made star. This is so tough question.
Sir, wait, I have some new edition books, sir, and then in that there are only 20 questions, but those questions are hard.
Actually, you're having that new textbook with you.
Yes, sir. Sir, even that question, even those questions are like this only, sir. Easy only, sir.
Acha, okay. So in the given figure, AB is parallel to CD and angle F is 30 degree. So find FCD
Sir,
angle.
60, sir.
How fast you're
Yes.
solving?
Sir, that is easy question.
This is easy
Sir,
question.
60 only, sir.
60.
FCD, this angle, right?
Yes, sir. We just have to find angle sum. And
Sir,
angle
we are
E
having
is
to find the
vertically
angles of
opposite.
property of triangle, sir.
Yes, sir. Angle E is vertically opposite.
Sir, it should be 120. Sir, 120, sir.
Sir,
See,
Yes, sir.
120.
Sir, 120.
Sir,
yeah,
120.
fine. All right.
60
If
plus.
don't shout here, children, just write in the chat box. It will get merged. All the voice will get
Okay.
overlapped. So see here, if this is 30, if this is 30, this is 90, right? So this will be what? 9 and 3, 12, 12 and 60 will come here. So this will be also 60. So this will be 120, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's clear? 120?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Next question number 18th one. In the given figure, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is 7, AD is equal to BC is equals to 5 centimeter. Then DC is equals to X. Distance between AB and CD is 4 centimeter. Then the value of X is, should find the value of X over here. Trapezium. Just try to solve only. Swatvik Nutakki, I think he is searching answer.
Sir, what's the no, sir?
Then why you off your camera? I know you were typing the
Sir,
same
I was
question.
eating, sir. So
This is your dinner time.
not dinner, sir. Some biscuits.
It's a biscuit.
So the AL is 4 centimeter.
AL. AL you should not find only now.
No, sir, I'm just asking. There are 7 centimeter and 4 centimeter.
Okay, so how AL is 4 centimeter? That is a square.
No, sir, I'm asking because they both are written closely. So what is the value of AB?
See, 4 centimeter is only AB and DC both. AB and DC. Hey,
Sir, 10 centimeter. Oh, no, it's not
distance.
there.
Yeah, correct, Sahil. You are saying correctly. That is AL is 4 only or BM is 4. Both are same only. 4, 4.
Yes, sir.
Because they have given distance. No, in question clearly it's given. See, distance between AB and DC. So DC is this, AB is this one.
Sir, my answer is 10, sir. But then 10 is not here only, sir.
If you know the basic concept of the area of trapezium, you can find it out. What is the area of trapezium? Tell me.
Wait, sir. No, sir. Wait, sir. That's wrong, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Parallel
Time, sir.
What, Hania? Area of trapezium is?
So it should be 13. Sir,
Oh.
13.
Hey, Nihar, write in the chat box.
So what to
Sir,
write?
I'll
Sir,
send to
area
you.
of trapezium, sir, formula is half into sum of parallel side.
पहले साइड उसके बाद गया काम छोड़ दो फिर.
Right.
I'll send you the my answer.
Okay, fine. Said understood? No, Saiditwik. क्या हुआ Priyanshu? What
Yes, sir,
happened?
understood.
Priyanshu, what happened to you? Half into sum of parallel sides into what? Your
Into height.
yeah, into height.
Sir, h by 2 into a plus b.
Same only, no? H by 2 into a plus b. H is nothing but distance between parallel lines, okay? H is the height, it means distance between parallel lines, right? So h by 2, you can say half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them.
Sir, could you tell the answer?
Let me solve. I don't know the answer for this. See, half into sum of parallel sides is x plus 7, right?
Sir, why are we even doing that, sir?
Okay, what to do? Tell.
Sir, can I
So we
tell?
can find the area
Sir,
of
we
the
can
triangle
find-
Sir, can
by
I tell?
Pythagoras theorem.
Yeah,
Sir,
sir, I did it by Pythagoras theorem only, sir, but then I didn't find area and all.
Okay,
Sir,
what?
can I tell the answer?
Tell answer. Ritvik.
Sir, LM is equal to AB, so the middle of DC is 7 centimeters. The
Okay,
other
this
two
is
triangles
this
are
is 7.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. The
This
other two triangles are equal. So 5 and 4. The Pythagoras
3.
3. Yes, sir. It's
yeah,
3 on
3
both
and 3,
sides.
right?
So
3
7
Fine.
plus 3 plus 3, sir. 13.
Yes, sir, 13,
Yeah,
sir.
that way
Yes,
is
sir,
correct.
Sir,
13.
initially
Very
I
good.
thought this AB LM is a square, but then I got to know it's a rectangle because one side is 7 and one is 4, so that will be a rectangle only.
Okay. Fine. This is also easier. It's clear to everyone, children here.
Yes, sir.
If 7, 7, this is like a parallelogram. So this line, 2 lines are parallel over here. So 7, 7, you can write. Then other part will be what? This is like a right angle triangle. The two things is given to you. 4 and 5. So by Pythagoras theorem, you can find this is 3. This is also 3. See, 3, 3, 6, 6 and 7. 13. Okay. Now question number 19th. Question number 19th. See question number 19th, all of you. In the adjoining figure, APO is equals to 42 degree. CQA is 38 degree. Find the value of POQ. APO.
So it is easy. Option C.
42.
Sir, like are the lines parallel? Oh yeah, they've given. Sir, it's a 80 only, yes, sir.
CQO. CQO. This is your angle 4 is 38 degree.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's 80 only, sir.
POQ you should
Sir, they have
find.
even given the clue.
Yeah, this is 42 and this is 38, right? And including
sir.
both you should find. So
Sir,
4 and 3, 7, 8. 80 degree, right?
Sir, 80.
It's clear, Sai Ritvik? Then Satvik Notakki. Again, biscuit. Very hungry.
No, sir, I'm eating.
What, Satvik?
Sir, I'm eating one biscuit. Sometimes I'm hungry.
Acha. Nihar is off and on the camera. What? Why Nihar?
No, sir, by mistake, sir. I'll on it again, sir.
By mistake is got on or by mistake it got off?
Sir, off, sir. Obviously, sir.
Okay. So now question number 20th. AB is parallel to CD. APQ is equals to 50 degree. PRD is 127. Then X and Y respectively are. So
Sir, option B.
Y you can find children,
Sir,
right?
it's option B,
Sir,
sir.
option
Sir,
B.
X will be
Option B,
50.
sir.
Why is
Sir,
77?
option B. Sir, there is a property, na sir. कि
Arre
extreme-
Baba,
extreme-
I understood. I know all the property. Why you are shouting if you got the answer? B, I understood. Let them
Okay.
try also. 1 minute, children.
The answer. So this is
All
A.
right. I told Nihar and Priyanshu told option B. All right. Let them try also.
Sent you my answer.
Children who are getting the answer, just write eject. See here who is getting the answers. I only tell option B. See. Sahil also got. Priyanshu also got.
Sir, 1 minute.
Then Hania also got the same answer. Anyone who is not able to get this answer?
Sir, I got it, sir. B only.
Okay, fine. So everyone got the answer, right? Shriyanvi, what about you? Shriyanvi, Sai Charan,
Yes,
Neha.
sir.
What happened? You got the answer?
Yes, sir.
What? Option B?
Yeah.
All right. Nihar, I'm going to remove from the meeting, okay? Now don't, if I remove, you can't come back. Remember that. What? Someone is there at the back. You are just offing your camera. It's walls only now. See, in this matter, Sahil is very good. His sisters are disturbing him. They're watching who and all are there in the meeting. They are doing like army parade will happen. No, sometimes they do that also, right? Sahil, they'll do parade and come nearby, watch and
Sir,
go.
my sister will come, sir. Suddenly she will come. She'll bang the door and come. Then she will do something and go.
Yeah. Fine. So see this, this is why you can find this whole thing is what? 127 minus 50. Anyway, all of you got the answer. No, we'll move to 21st. See, 21st question is. In a parallelogram, the sum of angle bisector of two adjacent angles is. In a parallelogram, this is very easy question. If you know the property of parallelogram, you can do it easily.
So 90, sir.
90, sir.
Yeah. See, adjacent angles will be 180 degree and half
Yes,
of it
sir.
is 90.
Half
clear?
of this is 190. Yes, sir.
Remember,
Sir, I
children?
send you in the chat, sir.
Yeah. I've seen it starting only. I know your answer will come first off from you or Nihar. Right. Now you can explain also if I ask. But what do you children do? If you get the answer, start shouting how you got the answer. The steps wise, you just start telling all those steps also. So nobody is going to listen, you know, for listening time, you know, the echo sound. We can't hear after some seconds, you know, we can't concentrate only the things. We should be prepared to listen something.
Yes.
Yeah. Now question number 22nd. 22nd. See, we did so many questions today because we have not stuck anywhere. If you're stuck means one question will take 15 minutes time. And at the end of the day, we won't do. By seeing the question only become irritation, no? Three lines question. Then
Sir,
see the
20. Sir, 20, sir.
Wow. Okay. Anybody else?
Yes, sir. 20.
Priyanshu?
Sir, 20.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
So find the value of x. Okay, 120. तो इधर का कितना हो जाएगा?
Sir, I'm getting 100.
180. Then this is also 80. Pagdali 100. So 100, 60, 160, 20. Yeah. How is getting? Who is not getting the 20 answer? Anyone?
Sir,
This-
Sir, I'm not getting.
Sir, I'm not
I'm
getting.
getting 100.
Okay, see, Priyanshu here. If this is 80, if this is 80, this part will be 80 here. Correct? This part.
Alternate interior angles.
This is not alternate interior. This is corresponding angles.
Corresponding, yes, sir. Sorry.
Corresponding angles. And if you see inside part, you will get, if this is 80, this will be 100. If this is 100 and here is 120 is given. So just beside that will be 60. So 100 plus 60 is 160. So obviously this will be what? 20.
20.
It's clear, Sai Ritvik?
Sir, I was seeing other
Sir.
angle.
Yes, sir, I've got 20 itself.
What, Satvik Nutaki, what happened? Doubt?
Sir, I was seeing some other angle, sir. I was seeing that G angle.
Okay. So here what we can do, this is 80. So this is also 80. This is also 80. And here is 100. 100, 120, this 80, 100. Then this is 60. And this become what? 20. That's it. Next question number 23rd. 23rd, acha, the angle bisector of angle of linear pair.
Could you show the question, sir?
That is easy, same only. Same question is repeating. Not repeating. It's almost similar question. 3 questions I'm just putting over here. 23, 24, 25. How to write the answer here? If you write in the chat box, you write C, comma B, comma A. Directly all 3 answer you can write at a time. Okay. C, comma B, comma A in that way. Or C, if you don't know B dash A, like that you can write. I'll just see who is going to do correctly. If you don't do, you just put dash over there.
I just have to type the answers to you.
Yeah, write in the chat box. You got all the 3 answers?
No.
Okay, solve all the 3 answers. So many 4 children get the answer. BAB. Wow. BAB, Priyanshu, BAB.
Yes, sir. BAB.
Okay. BAB is correct. Anyone who is not getting any answers?
I
Sir, I'm
didn't
not
understand
getting
the first
23rd.
question. Yes, sir, 23rd.
Sir,
I'm
I'm
not
not getting
understanding.
20.
No, I'm not saying which question you are having doubt, you tell me. I'll just explain that one.
23rd.
Sir, the first one.
Okay,
It's the
first one. See, linear pair, you know, no, linear pair is 180 degree.
Yes.
So they are asking angle bisector. The bisector means 2 equal half. You should means you should exactly do half of it. So 90 degree will come. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any more doubts? No. B, A, B. Fine. Next question number 26th. Two complementary angles are in ratio 13:5. Then the angles are.
Sir, it's B, sir.
Option B.
Option
it's
B. Okay. The 13 and 5, 18. 18x is equal to what you're writing? 180, 90.
90,
Sir,
90.
90, sir.
So x is equal to 5.
5.
So 65 and 25. All of you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Twenty-seventh is also easy here. 27th. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. And angle 1 is to angle 2 is equal to 3 is to 2. This is 3x. This is 2x. Then angle 6 is equals to what? It's very easy.
Sir, this type of sir figure, sir, I have doubts, sir. In sir,
Acha. Means you are having linear pair and all doubt.
Sir,
Okay.
this 72, sir.
72. See, 5x is equal to 180. So x is equal to what you're getting?
Sir, x is 36, sir.
Then you have
Sir,
to
by
find
since-
angles. What happened?
Sir, angle 6 is equal to angle 2 corresponding angles.
See, this type we are having doubt, no, Priyanshu?
Yes, sir. How, sir,
Sir,
which
72.
angle we have to find, sir? And by seeing figure, sir, I am getting doubts.
See,
In-
Priyanshu, those everybody here, I'm just clearing all the doubts here for this one linear. If you're having doubt in this type of questions, I'm writing all type of angles over here. Okay, try to understand. So angle 1 plus angle 2. This both equal to 180 degree. Again, this is known as what? I'm just talking about linear pair. Okay. You know linear pair, no, Priyanshu?
Yes, sir.
Then angle 3 and angle 4 is also linear pair. Similarly, you can write angle 5, angle 6. Then you can write here angle 7, angle 8, right?
Yes.
Now I'm just talking about vertically opposite angle. You know vertically opposite angle?
Yes, sir.
So this is two types of triangle got finished. Then third one is alternate angles. You know alternate angles.
Mm,
See, two
No,
type of alternate angles are there. First is interior alternate angles,
and the exterior, sir. Yes.
and second one is exterior alternate. So these are equal angles. Alternate interior means you should not see these two parallels are there. No, you should not see up
Yes.
and down. You should see interior part. Alternate means 4 and 6 is alternate. The angle
Yes,
4 is
sir.
equals to angle 6. Angle 3 is equals to angle 5. For exterior alternate, you should see out of the parallel line, this
Yes,
side.
sir. Angle 2 equal to angle 8 and angle 1 equal to angle 7.
Angle 2 is equal to angle 8 and angle 1 is equal to angle 7. So this is alternate angles. Then corresponding angle, just writing here corresponding angles.
2 and 6 and 1 and 5.
Angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Angle 2 is equals to angle 6.
Sir, angle 8 is equal to angle 4. And angle 7 is equal to
Sir,
angle.
like sir, on simple figure, sir, I can identify, sir, but on complicated figure, sir.
This is not complicated. This is all the time. Most of the time they'll give like this only. Two parallel lines, one will be transversal. This is easy only now.
Yes.
So these are corresponding angles. Now co-interior angles. Co-interior angles will be some.
3 and 4,
Angle
5
3
and
and
6.
angle 6.
3 and 4, 5 and 6.
So here this is like linear pair. Means sum of both angle will be what? 90
One-
degree, 180 degree. So angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. Angle 4 plus angle 5 is equals to 180. Understood? Any other type is still pending here?
No. Sir.
Yeah, it's clear, I think. Linear pair, vertically opposite angle, you know
Yes,
already.
sir.
Okay, fine. Now it's clear, no, Priyanshu?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Question number. So you play quiz based on lines and angles.
Okay.
And
Yes.
Nihar,
Yes, sir.
10 minutes time is there. We'll play quiz based on
Sir, I
lines
get
and.
least marks, sir.
So what is there in that? You can learn something. No, just take the screenshot if you're getting doubt. Okay.
Okay.
So quiz name is lines and angles for class 9. Lines and angles. Angles for class 9th. Challenge friends. 1 minute. Start. Direct link. I'm just posting in the chat box, children. I just put in the chat box. All of you just look into it. This is for everyone in the meeting. Dash. All of you join by this link. So 7 children joined right now. 8th, who is still left? So let's start the meeting now. Okay, fine. Starting. Question number 1 is on your screen. Just check into it.
Done, sir.
So what is the meaning of vertical angles?
Vertically opposite, I guess. Yeah, vertically opposite.
Who has done well now? Who is going first, second, and all? Wait, I'm not in the game only. Okay, I'm doing fourth question. Interior, alternate interior angles. 6 and 5 is there? No. 7 and 2. 7th. Power up.
Sir, I made a silly mistake in one question, sir. So I got one question wrong.
So those who are done, can they leave?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, I have
Bye.
done, sir.
Okay, those who can leave, those who have done.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye, children. Hania, still you are doing? Hania and Shriyanvi,
So done.
done. What is
Yeah.
your rank? What is your rank now?
So 5.
Okay, Shriyanvi, still you are in the game?
So I got disconnected meanwhile in the game, so I need to do it again.
From starting you need to do now.
No, I resumed back.
Huh? You are on which question?
I'm in 8th question, sir.
8th question. Okay. Okay, leave Shriyanvi, no problem. Huh? If you want to do full, how is it? You want to do completely?
I guess I could just leave now, sir.
Fine, Shriyanvi. Okay, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.